Alright, this video is about dividing integers. And dividing integers is only harder because division is harder. But you're going to be able to use your multiplication chart, so you're going to be fine. And we're going to do some examples together. When you're dividing integers, you use the triangle just like when you were multiplying integers. So we got two negatives and a positive. So when you have one of each, it's going to be a negative answer. When you have same signs, it'll be positive. So the only way you can get a negative answer when you're dividing is if you have one of each type. You have a positive and a negative. And it doesn't matter who's winning, it doesn't matter which one's bigger, nothing like that. You either just have a positive and a negative or you don't. So let's just do an example. Let's say we have negative 10 divided by positive 2. When you're using your multiplication chart, when you're dividing, you start with the bottom number and you see how long it takes you to get to the top number. So 2, we're going to count until we get to 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer has to be 5. The question is it a positive 5 or is it a negative 5? And we have a negative and a positive. So if I cover up a negative and a positive, notice I have a negative left. So the answer is negative 5. Let's try another one. Let's say we did negative 20 divided by negative 5. All right, well, let's go. We're starting with our 5s and we're going to count until we see 20. So we're on our 5s column and we go 5, 10, 15, 20. So 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 4. The only question is it positive 4 or is it negative 4? So let's redraw our triangle so we can see it. And we have a negative 20 and a negative 5. So I'm going to cover up the negatives and my answer is positive because that's what's left over. And again, I don't need to write the positive. Positive is understood to be there, but I'm going to write it anyway just for clarification. Let's do another example. Let's see. Let's make 16 divided by 4, and let's make one of them negative. Let's do the bottom. Okay, so our denominator is negative, and we're going to start on our 4s column, and we're going to go until we see 16. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 4. Took us 4 times to get there. The only question is it positive or is it negative? And I have a positive 16 and a negative 4, so I cover those up, and my answer is negative 4. All right, actually I think that's all the notes that we're going to take. The next video will be examples from your assignment.